Hi guys, tonight we're going to be playing with this lovely green Kasp 14040 anodized. The keyway is American style. Looks like it's a 6-pin from the key. Gives a nice click when you open it. We'll have a go at opening him and we'll have a look inside. Now if you can tension this, if you can get the tensioning right on this, it opens extremely easily. Having said that, doing it around the camera may be a little bit trickier, but we'll have a go. I'll know straight away if I've got the tension right because it falls straight into a false set. I can't even feel the pins, hang on. Let's try that. No. Just stroke it from the back. I haven't got the tension right. The tension bar's falling out already, look. Stress of the camera on. Maybe we're trying too hard. Come on. Let's try a different angle. Okay. There we go, look. Deep false set. And you find pin 3. Counter rotation. Oh, I dropped it. It was open then, I promise. The return spring took it back. Let's try again. Stroke it from the back with light tension. Sometimes I can do this on the first sweep. There you go, dropped into a false set. Find pin 3 and you get counter rotation. And he's open. Always takes longer when you we're doing it on camera, but you know, when you get it right, you can open in 10 seconds. Let's have a quick look inside. What are you talking on my video?
Who are you talking to?
You.
Stop saying that camera thing.
Okay, I will. You're right, yeah, so it is 6-pin. Should we lock this up? Okay, let's get the clip off. Turn the clip around like this. There. And I'll pull the clip off the back. Pull the clip off the back, he says. It takes me longer to get the clip off than it does picking the bloody lock. There we go. Got him. Okay, where's the keys? Let's have a look at these pins. I'm going to have to turn it this way so that we don't lose them all. Actually, that's going to be too big. Need me little one. There we go. Okay, key pins. Right, in pin in 1, it looks like we have a anti-drill pin, and he's serrated. Pin 2, serrated. Get some tweezers. Pin 3, serrated. Pin 4, standard. Pin 5, serrated. And pin 6, serrated. May well be a slight count of milling on that core. This is the front, isn't it? Right, driver pins. Pin 1 is a anti-drill to go with the anti-drill key pin. 2 is a little spool. 3 is a standard. Actually, it's thinned out on one end. Come out, you bugger. Here's another spool. Another spool in 4. Another spool in 5, and the last one, I imagine he's going to be a spool. Yeah, he's a spool as well. I think that's... There we go, guys. Serrated key pins and pretty much all spools in the drivers, bar the anti-drill pin and number 3, which actually looks a bit fatter than the rest and is thinned down. I think that's actually supposed to go the other way around, like that. Thinned on one end. So yeah, that is the Kasp 14040. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.